Alright guys, here we go again. Take a look at my live P&L from right now. You can see I'm knocking on the door of $1,100 in profit, live trading the Nasdaq today as this volume indicator once again nailed the trend. So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. As always, it is good to be with you. Let me get you dialed into my trades from right now. Quick time and temperature check. Where are we at? Today is Tuesday, May 14th. It's a little bit after 10 o'clock a.m. this morning. I took profits on the first half of this long trade that showed up about 15 minutes ago, and I'm just basically waiting to see where the market goes from here, right? I've got kind of an aggressive target all the way up here, although I think this is probably too aggressive. I'm probably going to take this down some. Let's see here. Let's do like 370 maybe. Yeah. So just so you guys know, all right, why NinjaTrader is so awesome is because everything is so flexible and robust and like inside the chart, and everything's drag and drop, right? Like I can move my targets easily up and down, like I can pop them anywhere, and I can do the same thing with the stop loss. That is the reason why, in my humble opinion, NinjaTrader consistently ranks in the top 3 or maybe even top 2 of all brokers out there. Just don't even take my word for it, all right? Do your own research. And so every time I take a trade, I have pretty aggressive profit targets on the second half of my trade. Like they'll be like 100 points or 150 points above. Like I'm talking about the second position, all right? Not the first position. The second position has to be considered your money bag. But I also like the flexibility of being able to move this, right? Per my own discretion. And that's why I'm very discretionary with the second piece of my profit target. You understand? Anyway, folks, let me get you dialed in here, man. All right. Matter of fact, let me just start out by showing you where we went long. This is just a thing of beauty, man. All right. You can see right here, man, with your very own eyes, the vol indicator turned from red into green right at this moment in time. And you can also see that if I zoom in here, there's a very nice, what I call early in the trend cycle retracement setup. You guys can see that, right? This is the reversal bar printing right on top of the green band, and kaboom! This is the signal to go long. I mean, you couldn't have asked for a better setup today, right? And some people also ask, hey, Mark, how come we don't take any of these shorts here? Well, there's a very easy answer. Can anybody guess, right? If I onboarded you the last couple of days, you already know what the answer is on why we don't take these trades down here, right? There's a concept called being early versus late in the trend cycle. And this short trend actually started here at 9:36 a.m. all the way back up here, right? And so by the time you got a notification to go short, the Nasdaq had already plunged 200 ticks. So you gotta be smart, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be trying to take a trade long or short if the market has already had a significant move in your favored direction. You understand? I mean, I hope that makes sense. All right. Whereas if you contrast it to this setup that I went long on today, I mean, look at how early we are within the trend cycle right here, as opposed to maybe trying to take a long retracement all the way up here. You get what I'm saying? Like this, again, is about as high probability as you can ever ask for. When you catch these retracements really, really early in the trend cycle, man, I'm telling you, you're just going to be always putting yourself in a position to succeed, as opposed to what many other retail amateur traders do, which is put themselves in a position to fail. Makes sense? So let me see, what time is it now? 10:12. I have a 10:30 a.m. meeting that I got to get to. So I don't know what I'm going to do here, man, but take a look at my ticks, right? I love this tick counter on NinjaTrader. You can see here I'm up over 150-ish ticks. Trying to get to my magic number of 200 ticks, man. Like I try to look for 200 ticks every single day. Don't know if I'm going to get it today, but I really don't care because I have taken profits here and I've moved my stop loss to entry. So no matter what happens, I can't lose on this trade, ladies and gentlemen. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and take a look at the P&L as well. Nice, just crossed over 1,300. Look at that, I made 200 bucks as I was doing this video. So listen, man, you've heard me say this a million times, and I'm going to keep pounding the table on this. Don't you ever dare think that you'll ever be able to fight a trend. When the volume turns red, the market's gonna go down. That's what the volume is telling you. There's a better chance than not of a sell-off. And when the vol turns green, as it did right there, there's a better chance than not that the market's gonna go up. So stop fighting it, guys and gals. Instead of fighting the trend and going against the trend, why don't you be smart and join the trend? You know what I'm saying? Participate in the trend. Because if you can execute that idea in your own trading, then boy, I'm telling you, what a difference that's going to make literally on day one. So congrats to all of my customers and clients out there who did catch this beautiful long today. What an absolute pleasure it is to wrap up your trading by 10:15 a.m. in the morning. This is going to be an action-packed trading week, and I cannot wait to show you how this trading system is going to perform tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.